Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over the time clock report. I'm on the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Then I went to the menu icon here at the top left and went to reports. And I'm all the way down at the bottom where it shows time clock. Now, most of these reports you can also view from the workstation. So if you're on the workstation, all you need to do is go sign in, of course, and then go to the menu at the top right and go to reports. Once you're on reports, they will show up on the left just like on the admin portal. As usual, we got the export option up here at the top right, where you can export to PDF or CSV if you need an electronic version of this, or you can print if you want to print it. Then we got our date ranges here. You can use the arrows on either side to go day to day, or you can click in the date range field here and it will pull up your calendar. Now you do have some quick select buttons up here, so you can choose yesterday, last 7 days, last week, just some quick options there. Or if you want to choose one in particular day, like let's say I wanted to look up April 1st, I could click April 1st and click run. It would pull up just that day. Now if I want to do a date range that's custom, go into March here. Say I wanted to look up this week, I'd click the 18th once, and then my end date, and choose be the 24th. Click run on that, and it would generate that report. So there are some options here. You can sort by first name if you'd rather sort by first name, or sort by last name. You can toggle back and forth between the two. Here you can change the time format. So like regular hours right now, if you notice here, it's 4.362 hours. Well, if we change this to hour and minute, then it will change it to 4 and 21 minutes. So whichever one of those you prefer. And we have a toggle switch here for show breaks. We click that on. If you have breaks programmed in the system, then they'll show up, because obviously there'll be an option when they go to clock in and out. If you don't have breaks set up yet and you want to set it up, please go search for my video on breaks. And then you have an option here to sort by staff member if you just want to pull up one staff member individually. The rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. I mean, it's got the date, the start time and end time, and it's got reported tips, so you can view reported tips here as well. And then it's got the regular hours and overtime hours. So kind of the same information that's on the payroll one, but I'll just lay it out a little differently. So it just kind of depends on what you prefer and what exactly you're looking for. But that's all I got for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.